I've made 2 videos today, and all that video making is making me feel hungry. So I cook something. Metho. Metho burner. Simple, clean. Fire. Cutting up vegetables. My garden zucchini, garden parsley. So I cut everything into wedge pieces. Then the thin end cooks soft, leaving a little nugget just to fit in the spoon. See, little wedges, wedge shapes. Thank you, onion, zucchini, carrot. Organic coconut oil, but it worries me that they take out the smell. They remove the smell, which is the main part of it. Sometimes all this processing will denature the food. A serious case in point was musk oil. Smelled terrible. And then they took off the portion of the molecule that had the fecal smell, and they had this processed musk oil, which was put into everything. It was put into laundry detergent, soap, perfume. But what happened was, Kate Grenville wrote about in her book on fragrance, people started getting multiple sclerosis. They did tests on rats who had neurological damage. So I don't know if this coconut oil, supposedly organic, whether it is harmful or whether it is okay. This is my kitchen in my caravan. So, cooking. This is a cooking show with a difference. Vive la différence! Vive la différence! Iodized salt. I used to think it was bad for you, but I've got a thyroid condition, so I'm using it now. There's a wonderful Australian doctor on the radio the other day, on Richard Feidler's Conversations, ABC Radio. And he was the one who went to China and Tibet and noticed that people had thyroid disease, little cripples in Tibet, because the mother had no iodine in her diet. So he got them to use iodized salt. And there you go, great improvement. No cretins under the age of 5 years. How brilliant is that? That is just so wonderful. So here we go. Here we go. You put the lid on. Later on I'll dish it out in my little bowl.